Home Remedies presents
11 surprising benefits of papaya leaves. Doctors never tell you this. What if I told you these garbage leaves can regrow hair and fight cancer? Many people unknowingly discard one of nature's most powerful remedies, papaya leaves. While the fruit is well known for its nutritional benefits, emerging research suggests that the leaves contain potent compounds that can enhance digestion, regulate blood sugar, strengthen immunity, support liver health, and even complement cancer treatment. Let's explore the top 11 benefits of papaya leaves and learn how to properly prepare and use them for maximum therapeutic potential. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. 1. Improved digestion and intestinal health. Papaya leaves contain powerful digestive enzymes papain and chymopapain, which break down proteins in food, making digestion faster and more efficient. They also have antiparasitic properties, helping eliminate intestinal worms while protecting the stomach lining, making them beneficial for gastritis and ulcers. How to use. Drink papaya leaf tea once daily to improve digestion and reduce bloating. Fresh papaya leaf juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, aids intestinal health. 2. Strengthened immune system. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, papaya leaves boost white blood cell production, helping the body fight infections. Their anti-inflammatory effects also protect against oxidative stress. Recommended dosage. Drink papaya leaf tea 3 to 5 times per week for immune support. Papaya leaf capsules may be taken at 500 to 1000 milligrams daily, but consult a healthcare provider. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Papaya leaves help increase insulin sensitivity, assisting in glucose absorption and preventing sugar spikes, making them valuable for diabetes management. How to consume. Papaya leaf tea or juice daily, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh juice or 1 cup of tea. Always consult a doctor before integrating them into a treatment plan. 4. Increased blood platelet count. Papaya leaves stimulate platelet production, aiding recovery from dengue fever, chemotherapy, or autoimmune diseases. Usage guidelines. Drink 50 to 100 milliliters of papaya leaf juice twice daily to support blood health. Papaya leaf tea can also be consumed once or twice per day. 5. Reduced inflammation and chronic pain relief. The leaves contain flavonoids, alkaloids, and tannins that combat arthritis, muscle soreness, and skin inflammation. Recommended application. Drink papaya leaf tea daily to reduce inflammation. Apply papaya leaf extract directly on the skin for eczema relief. 6. Youthful and radiant skin. Papaya leaves stimulate collagen production, preventing wrinkles, sagging, and blemishes while treating acne, eczema, and psoriasis. How to use. Drink papaya leaf tea once daily for skin health. Apply papaya leaf juice or a facial mask directly to the skin. Comment leaf if you've ever used papaya leaves before. 7. Liver protection and detoxification. Papaya leaves stimulate glutathione production, detoxifying the liver and aiding recovery from fatty liver disease or hepatitis. Recommended dosage. Papaya leaf tea, drink 1 to 2 cups per day to support liver function. Papaya leaf extract, take 500 to 1000 milligrams daily, under medical supervision. 8. Menstrual pain and PMS relief. Papaya leaves help relax uterine muscles, reducing painful contractions, bloating, and irritability. Usage guidelines. Drink papaya leaf tea twice daily during menstruation for relief. Caution: avoid during pregnancy as it may affect uterine contractions. 9. hair growth and scalp health. Papaya leaves strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and stimulate growth through deep nutrition. How to use. Apply papaya leaf masks or infused oil twice a week for scalp nourishment. Drink papaya leaf tea to improve hair health internally. 10. Support in malaria treatment. Papaya leaves contain antimalarial compounds that inhibit parasite growth and strengthen immunity during infection. Usage guidelines. Drink papaya leaf tea or extract as a supportive remedy, never replacing prescribed treatment. 11. Potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that papaya leaf extract may stimulate apoptosis, programmed cell death, helping prevent abnormal cancer cell growth. How to use. While papaya leaf tea or extract may have preventive benefits, always consult a medical professional before incorporating them into cancer treatment. How to prepare papaya leaf juice and tea. Papaya leaf juice. 1. Take 5 to 10 fresh papaya leaves. Young leaves are less bitter. 2. Wash thoroughly, blend with a little water, then strain using a fine sieve or clean cloth. 3. The pure juice is bitter. Add honey or lemon juice for taste. 4. Recommended dose: 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Papaya leaf tea. 1. Wash 5 to 7 papaya leaves and place in a pot with 1 liter of water. 2. Bring to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Turn off the heat, cover, and steep for another 5 minutes. 4. Strain and drink up to 2 cups per day, preferably unsweetened. Topical uses. Use cold papaya leaf tea as a skin or hair tonic. Make a paste with crushed leaves for face masks or hair treatments. Precautions when using papaya leaves. Before incorporating papaya leaves into your routine, follow these precautions. Avoid if pregnant, as some compounds can stimulate uterine contractions. If allergic to papaya or latex, avoid consumption. If taking blood clotting medications, consult a doctor first. Start with small doses, as tea and juice are bitter, gradually increase intake. Follow recommended dosages and take periodic breaks in consumption. Always consult a healthcare professional before using papaya leaves if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. Final thoughts. Papaya leaves are a natural powerhouse packed with benefits, from digestion and immunity to liver health and inflammation relief. With proper preparation and mindful consumption, they can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. If you have access to papaya leaves, consider incorporating them into your diet or skincare routine. Respect nature's remedies, and consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.